What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Central California, Tulare County, I believe. But yeah, do got a Nike outlet. Happened to be out here for work, so of course we got to stop by the Nike outlet. I did try to get here right when they opened, but yeah, life doesn't really work out that way all the time. So yeah, it's been what, an hour and a half after they opened. All right, let's go. This is the sign out front. We're 20% off all purchases recently. Of course, I always check what's behind the counters. Nothing there. Okay. Jordan Retros, look, 20% off on top of that. Jordan, what are these? The 35s? Jordan 35s go for $80. 80 freaking dollars. Doesn't look like it's 20% off everything. But yeah, that's dope, dude. That's dope. And we got a couple other retros. We'll get into that. Let's go check out the clearance, 20% off clearance. And then we'll check out the aisles. Size 9.5 to be able to get 20% off. Pretty dope. Pretty freaking dope, dude. Man, not bad at all. This is size, what, 9.5? Also got these as well. And oh, they're giving the box top. Whoever works here, man, you're freaking awesome, dude. You're freaking awesome. Dude got the Fusions. Obviously, these are going for way under retail on the resale websites, but still, to be able to get it for 20% off. Remember, no extra fees. And then if you need that box top right there, it'll probably fit on this one. I don't know. Sometimes, like, half a size could make a big difference. So I don't know. Might be a different box top, actually. Size 10, got Zion 1s going for $90. Okay, what is this right here? Some Jordan 36 Lucas right here. I don't even think I've ever seen these. El Matador? Is that his defense? They bag it on his defense like that? No. This is dope. Okay. Big time Matador vibes with all the red on it. And then they always usually have that ostentatious outfits on with the wild colors. Yeah, this is fire, dude. This is fire. This is 2 bills. 10.5, 2 bills, you get 20 off. Got some regular Jordan 6s, same size, $185 for these. Center courts, got a ton of J's here, $50 for these. $50 you get that extra discount. Damn, dude, that's what, $40 after discount. Drop types, starting to see these make a comeback at the outlets. We hadn't seen them in forever. $75. That's a ton of, I don't think this is Nike React, but a ton of EVA. Got Zoom Air on those as well. $75 for those, not bad. For the size 10. That's size 10, yep. Hydro 6s, size 9 go for $45. That's too much. Moving up to the 11s. Man, I kind of wish I got a size 11. 10.5, slightly tight on mine. But obviously I'm in Tulare, don't have my pair with me. $90 for those. The Zion 1s and 2s fit a little tight, so I'll go half size up on those. Okay, the Nike by You, size 11. Interesting colors. $190. Remember, the Nike by You does cost a little extra. That's not too bad. I don't do pink like that, but that's not too bad. I always try to appreciate, even if it's not my cup of tea. $170 for those. LeBrons, size 11. Got all kinds of those things right here. Nobody's looking at those. Got some of the Zoom Flight 95s going for $130. I don't remember this colorway coming out. I really don't. Leather, not the greatest on these, but you know, $130, especially with 20% off, not bad. Size 12. Got these in the 12.5, go for $90. We got the Lucas right here. These aren't the Lucas, but yeah. Dang, why is that box so big on this one? Whatever. But yeah, do got another pair of these. That's a 10.5. We saw these earlier. Retros, going for 20 off. So not bad. 2 bills for these. Do get that 20 off. Pretty fire. See, these are like the pairs that's like for regular price, whatever. Because the leather is kind of, they're decent on these. But yeah, I just, at 20% off, man, that makes you change your mind. You know what I'm saying? Some Air Max 90s right here. What is this? Size 12, these are going for $110. Got some nice suede on it and stuff, okay. Series 0.5's going for $50. Got a bunch of size 12. Got them in 14 as well. These in size 12 going for $50. Also got Monarchs Go for 52. Yeah, that's a lot. Dude. 52. And I think we're like in the huge sizes. I don't see any size 13. So we got size 14 right here. Got some suede blazers. There you go for what? $120. That's just a Nike by you. Got some 13s right here. Going for $2 size 14. And then got these right here. These are the Zion 1s. I've never seen this colorway. The Zion 1s right here. Okay. Never seen that colorway. That's size 14 going for $85. Then reflective 7s? Really? Reflective 7s going for $160. This is a size 13. I haven't seen these in forever. Holy crap, I really haven't seen these in a good minute. Holy cow, dude. Okay. And it has reflections of a champ. It even has this card on it. That's fire. And that's a hell of a price for what is it? $160? Damn, that's what's up. I've been looking for a thumbnail. We haven't seen these in years. We really haven't seen these in years. Oh, that almost fell down. But yeah, not bad. I love seeing like just different stuff like this. Checking the smaller sizes now. Size 9s. LeBron 19s going for $120. Okay. Plenty of these. 45 everywhere. Air Max 2090s going for $130. Pre-days going for $120. Air Max 90s. The Terra Escape ones, I think. Yeah, $140 for these. Got a bunch of size 9s. Oh, these are 8.5, $110. Let's see what these are going for. Isn't this the one we've been seeing on sale? $130 for these. This is size 8 now. 8.5, $110 for the Blazers. And yeah, 20% off everything. Okay, let's check out the aisles. Oh wait, one last one. 8.5, $130 for those. Okay. All right, remember seeing those at the clearance store for hella cheap. All right, we are checking out the aisles. Look, a whole row of Jordans. But not necessarily the Jordans you want, but it is a whole row of Jordans right here. The LS slides go for the cheapest. We've seen those. The Westbrook Take 1s, the budget model of the Westbrooks. 6 rings. Okay. Access. Another one of those. This one kind of tricked me. I was like, what? No, not really. These are the Comfort lows. The Jordan 11 Comfort lows. Okay. The Delta 2s. And the Max Auras. And then this is one of the best deals here. We took a look at this earlier. Jordan 35 lows. Go for $80 freaking. That is just ridiculous. And then the Retro 7s. Okay. And then we got the ones right here, but they only have these in grade school sizes, only up to size 6.5. And then that's pretty much about it with the Jordans. Flytraps. These are the Flytrap 4s. Kyrie Trey 5 9s. Witness 5s. That's one of the cheaper ones that we've seen them. One of the cheapest prices, that is. Yep. Soldiers. These are the 14s. Okay. Kill Shot 2 leathers. Alley-oops. Another one of those. What the hell is this? The Air Max Bolts? Huh? Air Max Structures. I recognize these. These are old school running shoes. Kind of a Raiders colorway. Air Max 2090. Air Force 1 highs. Some waffle trainers, got the old school look to it. Tailwind 79s. More old school stuff right there. Yep. And we've seen these a ton of times. Space Hippie 1s. Another one of those. And then the Air Flight 89s. Also do have a ton of slides, but these are the Benassi slides, man. I am showing them, but do not recommend them. They are hard as hell. But I guess not everybody always needs cushion. Like some people do like hard midsoles, so yeah, they're here. They're here. Plenty of sizes. $20. Damn, I thought I was done with all the good stuff, but no, this section got some nice stuff right here. Not those Monarchs, but look at this. Look at that. Air Max 95s going for hella cheap. Up to size 9.5. That's it. Air Max 2017s. Got a few of these. Not so bad. And then look, this is the cheapest we've seen these. They only have up to size 8.5 because all the good sizes are gone. That's got some 3M right there. Okay. Some Air Max Genomes. I'm showing these because I got full Air Max unit. I'm sure some of them like it, especially with that lower price. Air Max 2090s. Couple of those. And then that's about it, dude. That is about it. Yeah, like they're running shoes. They don't even have that many running shoes. I just walked right past this. They got, I would call it a little heat section, but not really. Like the Jordans were better than this. Okay. The women's section here, really small. Just what, 3 aisles right here? All right, we'll still look around. We'll look around. Checking out the women's clearance. 20% off everything. Starting at the size 8.5, I guess. Some Air Max 97s going for $110. Remember that 20% extra off? That's Not too shabby. Interesting color. I don't like the material though. It's like a rubbery material, but not bad. These are hella interesting as well. Look at that. But yeah, $1.90 for these, size 9. 20% off, not too bad. Not too bad. These are definitely interesting. It does have a hair material on it. Okay. Air Force One Shadow, size 9, go for 100. Got some Pegasus 38s, retail, huh? Got some slippers, go for 40, size 8. Air Max 97, $1.80 for these, 8.5. Air Max 90, all white. Dang, 130, size 8, size 7.5. Air Max 97, let's go for 185. Does have that, has that like metallic looking mesh right there. Okay, 185. Pegasus, $90 for these. Size 7.5, got some dunks. Some dunks, we'll have to get that under for retail. That's not too shabby, another one of these. Bunch of Pegasus and stuff, like, I don't know, nothing too different. Ooh, Air Max. Oh, that's Air Max. Air Force One sculpts right there with that extra good leather. Yeah, that's that nice leather. $135 the retail for that. All right, let's check out the aisles. They do have some interesting stuff. Look at that price on these Air Max 90s. You get that dirty one for the same price as the clean ones. Price is going down and down. Looks like an additional 20% off the women's stuff. I've heard some outlets additional 20% off, and then it's 20% off men's or all footwear as well, and you get to double dip, but not here. Like, that might be the cheapest price we've seen in those in a while. Another, ooh, just went down even further. 2090s, another one of those. Dude got some of the Cortez leathers right here, the Forrest Gump colorway. And look, I didn't check the size 12 earlier, and they got these. I've never even seen these. Okay, it's interesting with no laces, just the zipper, and then leather feels like plastic is. Oh, okay, all right. 99, do get 20% off. Okay. Then do got the copper Force Ones right here. Size 13 men's, size 14.5 women. $70 for these. I remember that was being flooded with these a while back. Back in the aisles, checking out the women's aisles, man. It's all mediocrity. It's all downhill from here. In-season trainer 11s. Renew in-season trainer 10s. Just a lot of generic stuff now. Even in the running section right here, got some Pegasus. Go for 70 to get that 20 off. Okay. Checking out a few things in the kids clearance section. Size 5.5. 5.5 dunks. Not bad. $100, 20% off. Does have that crack leather. I'm not the biggest fan of that, but no, that's kind of the thing right now. Got some Air Force One mids or highs right here, go for 100. That's size 5.5. Some retros go for 140. Size 4.5. Size 4. Got some J's right there. Air Max 97s go for 150 right here. That's just too much though, man. Come on now. Air Max 90 size 5 going for $70. Barbershop dunks size 6.5. Barbershop dunks right here. To be able to get it for under retail. Not bad, you guys. $75 or $95. I'm sorry, 95. You did get that 20 off. Just have that. It's like the attachment, right? That's the attachment that you put on the clippers. Okay. I got another one of these too. Okay, $100 for those. And then just stuff like this. Presto Extremes go for 40. Look at how many times it's been retagged. That's funny. Because every time they retag, they use a different sticker, so they know which round it is. So they have to keep marking. It's funny. Then Up Tempo size 7 right here, go for 140. Remember, you did get that 20 off. All right, let's check out the cheapest thing out here. $8. $8 for these. Not bad. The Nike pinwheel slides made with recyclable material. All kinds of sizes. $8, man. Okay. Seeing if they have any sales on backpacks. Told the kid I'd try to help him out. This big strap's kind of cool, but the rest of the backpack kind of flimsy. Not much structure. $40 for those, normally $50. These are always nice, just a generic backpack, but material's just too thin. $30 for these. $25 for these. Okay, nothing too crazy. Men's clearance apparel, 20% off. Don't really see too much. I did walk by and Just perused real quick. Not too much. Got Nike shirts, XL, go for 20. I'm gonna be honest with most of this stuff. I go to the clearance store, but not everybody has access to the clearance store, right? $20 for these, double XL. Saw this earlier. Dope Raiders dry fit hoodie. Oh, it's actually not a hoodie. Oh yeah, it's still a hoodie because there's a hood up top. But yeah, regular price, man. You get 20% off, but regular price. More t-shirts going for 20. Seems like that's all they really have. Oh, this one's going for 10. But just not really, I don't know, not much soap stuff, dude. Like, why would you want a track jacket? But there's two layers of mesh, I guess. Like, if it's hot as hell, I guess. Okay. Okay, what these going for? These are large, going for 60. Normally 150. Down to 60 to get that 20 off. And then got Jordan hoodies. $150 to get 30 off. Ooh, this one's really nice. I really like this one. Holy crap. Hoodie season right around the corner, man. Hoodie season right around the corner. I think these are 60, normally 80. You get that 30 off. This material on this one is fire. I really like the material on it. If I buy another hoodie, though, yeah, no, that's going to be ugly because I already have so many. I just got too many. But yeah, it's $60. That's dope, especially for 30 off. They got medium, XL, small, large. They got, oh, wait. Oh, these are different. Small, medium, and XL. That's what it looks like they got. They got these Jordan hoodies. So want the Jordan on the side right there. This is a large, going for 55. So, oh, these are $55, 30% off. 55, 30% off. The second number was hidden, so I thought it was 59. 55, not bad, not bad. And then more of these hoodies, okay. 50 for these. Just a bunch of XLs, double XL too. Dude got these, they're not sweats, they're, I don't know what type of material it is. They're not sweats though. They're not, it's not like a windbreaker material either. Kind of in between. 50 for these, normally 75. It's only deal on the tees though, not those. So $30 off this, it looks like. 25, okay. I think that's about it, man. I think that's about it. One of the better trips here. I've never really had a good trip at this outlet. I think I've come here, what, 3-4 times, and this is definitely the best trip here. Not bad, you guys. All right, let's wrap it up.